first I'm going to open up the shower gel. It's called I Can Resist Everything But Temptation. And it's a beautiful red color. There's no glitter. So now let's look at the ingredients. It says cinnamon stick, red rose petals, and ginseng infusion, and organic apple juice, myrrh, and orange flower absolute. It says, I wanted to eat of the fruit of all the trees in the garden and the world, and so indeed I went out and I lived. And it says it's good for a year, and it tells you what the ingredients are good for. Comes in 3 sizes. This one is the medium size. They have a smaller size and a bigger size. And this is supposed to be the same scent as the apple crumble bubble root that the Lush Harajuku specialty store. We're selling them, and I bought mine from Lush UK. I bought a couple. You can see the apple crumble in my blog, and also I have a YouTube video of it in the tub. And this is said to have the same scent as the apple crumble bubble bar. So let's see if it does. It looks like a fairly thick gel. Ooh, it smells very fresh, first of all. It's not what I would call sweet. It's not the same scent as So White. It smells kind of like a fresh red apple, but mostly what I smell is kind of like fresh green grass, apple-y kind of scent, okay? So it's definitely what I would call refreshing kind of scent. So let me show you how thick it is. I'm going to turn the plate sideways so we can watch it drip down. Notice how it takes forever for it to drip down. That's how thick this gel is. And as you can see earlier, when I put it on the plate, it comes out in like a ribbon. That means it's thick. So now I'm going to wash my hands at the sink with it to see how I like it. And the second time, I liked it a little more. And then when I used it, I like it even more. So I would rate the shower gel a 4 out of 5 rating. Thanks so much for watching. And I'm going to be uploading some more Valentine's products demos to this channel. And we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video. Bye-bye.